Presented by Church Tech U, it's the ProPresenter Show. On today's show, how to use themes in ProPresenter 7. You might know them as templates in earlier versions. Hi, and welcome again to the ProPresenter Show. This is the show where I teach you all about ProPresenter. My name's Paul Allen Clifford. And before we get started, if you like these tutorials, why don't you join the over 10,000 other people that have subscribed, click the little bell icon, etc., so that you can be one of the first to know about the new tutorials as I release them. One of the most powerful features in ProPresenter 4 on is something that is now called themes. They used to be called templates, but now they're called themes. So you might be wondering, well, what are they and what do they do? So let's head over to the computer and we'll talk about that sort of thing exactly. So here we are in ProPresenter 7, and there are a couple of ways to create and use themes. So let me start off with kind of the most straightforward, and then we'll go from there. If you go up here to where it says More and click on that, and then go to Theme Editor. By the way, this is where you can also edit themes. Then you've got a little plus button right next to this drop-down menu. Yours will not say basic lower third. It will say the name of one of the themes that you already have. So, actually, sorry about that. That added another possible theme to that group. So, new theme is where you actually do it from the drop-down. Sorry about that. So let's give this a name. I'm just going to use some generic numbers just so that I know later I can delete that. But you would want to give it a name that makes sense for you. So let's say that you like this kind of, but you really want it to be a lower third. So you just edit it like it's regular slide in ProPresenter. You'll notice the theme editor is very similar to the themes, the text editor, the regular editor rather, in ProPresenter. Let's say that I want to change the size of that text. Well, first off, I would select it, and then let's change the size up here. Make this nice and big, and I can type in some example text here. Let's select that here. Yeah. Okay. And I almost always want to add an outline to that, so that is called a stroke in ProPresenter 7. So I'm going to click on that, and that adds let's add like a 3 or 4 pixel wide stroke. Let's make sure that yep, that is showing there. So that's good. I just want to leave that like that. So we're going to go here, and now let me find a song real quick. Maybe something in this Wednesday thing here. Yeah, Amazing Grace, that works. Give it just a second to load here, and what I'm going to do is right click on this just to select it, and Command A. It's Control A on Windows, by the way. That selects all. And I'm going to right click that and go down here to Themes and find that theme that I just made, this guy, and then this theme slide right here. Click that, and it applies it to all of them. So that's one way to do it. Another way, and by the way, it's important for you to know that this only affects the slides layer unless you do something that I'm about to show you. So anything that is saved in the editor for the slides layer can be affected by a theme. So let's say, having done that, I realized, wow, that was a mistake. Can I undo? No, I really can't undo that. But what I can do is I can edit the theme and change it or apply another theme. So I'm going to right click here again and go down to themes, and let's say that this basic lower third theme is, no, let's do another one. Yeah, let's do this one. So I apply that there, and now that fixes it. Another thing you can do, though, is maybe you're looking at it and you're saying, you know, I had a slide that was almost there. If I could just tweak it just a little bit and make that into a theme, that would be perfect. Okay, well, let's do just that. So let's right-click and edit this slide, and go down here to, say, this one, and let's just edit that by selecting all of it, and let's say we just want it to be a little bigger. So 95 as opposed to 90. Now I can go back into show. Maybe I want to click on that just to make sure, okay, that looks fine. What I can do now is right click and go into themes, and then if we scroll down all the way here, new theme from selection. So I can basically take a slide that looks the way that I want it to look and create a new theme for it. Again, let me give it a very creative name, just numbers. You would want to give it a good name, and then click on save. And now that's good to go. You might be wondering, though, well, do I have to apply it after I create a new song? Actually, you don't. When you're creating the songs, you can apply it at that moment. So let's go into File, Import, Text from Clipboard. Oops, the clipboard is empty. Sorry, I meant File, Import, Text from File. Okay, and if I go to, yep, this works. I've got this song ready to go. I've already brought this in a bunch of times, but so it's going to ask me what I want to do with that. I'm going to import this. Let's do line break instead of paragraph break, and let's do 2 line breaks per slide. That's what delimiters per slide means. And let's change this theme to the one that I just created, this guy right here. Okay. Now we can bring that into any library. Let's say I wanted to bring it into the kids library and put it into this particular playlist that I've already got open. Now when I click import, it's going to import it, and it's going to use that theme to format the entire shebang like that. So let's do that, and it has done it just that easily. So that's pretty cool that it's done that. What else can you do with themes? Well, if we go up here to the upper right hand corner and we deal with looks, which are a way to change how different screens look, I can click edit looks, and I can create a new one by clicking this little plus button here. And on any of the screens, them being these columns here, if I click on this Ghostbusters symbol, if you're younger, then maybe you know it as the null set. If you're older than 50, maybe you know it as the no smoking sign. Whatever. If you click on that, then you can choose an alternate theme to apply to it. So maybe I'll do this one so that it's kind of obvious. So now This will display just as it is here in the middle, and then this one will display using that alternate theme. So if we go into alpha, I may not, yeah, I didn't actually select that alternate look there. Okay, and I forgot to disable that, so it's showing this here. So let me real quick fix that. Just by disabling that. Okay, and now you'll notice that that looks different from this. So that's another way that you can use themes. One other thing that I did want to tell you, if we go back here into theme and theme editor, in 7.10 I think it is, and newer, there is an option for a media action. So let's click back here, and I can click the background to add a solid background, or if I click here, I can attach a background video or a background still image as well. So once I do that, let's see what I've got. Let's do this one. So let's open that, bring that in. Okay, so now when I apply this, let's apply it to just this slide. Themes, and this one. Notice, oh, I will have to select that. Notice that it changed in every way, including applying the background. And that is a background. Notice we've got the background icon right up here. So when I click on that and I actually select the screen that is using that theme, and then I select this one, the background is persistent. So I have that ability. One other thing that I want to tell you about is if I wanted to apply a theme up here, so I wanted to apply this one, but I did not want to include the background. You see this blue icon? Again, this is 7.10 and newer. If I click on that, notice how the background in most of these, but not some of them, most of them, if the background was attached on from the media layer, it disappears. So now if I click on that and then select that theme, then notice that the background did not update right here. So it just changed the other applications, the other pieces of the puzzle there. And that is how you use and apply themes in ProPresenter 7, especially 7.10 and newer. If you like this content, you'd probably like my ProPresenter 7 Quick Start course, so head on over to TDM.fyi/pro7 and quick. Give me your name and email address, and I'll make a login for you for free. Until next time, this is Paul Allen Clifford from TrinityDigitalMedia.com and ChurchTechU.com, reminding you to go out and change eternity.